Hi, I'm Ricardo with Elmo Solutions, and today I would like to give you a quick glimpse of how our Agni CAD to ERP data integration system works in the context of both the CAD and the ERP environment. For this example here, I'm going to use SolidWorks as the CAD application and Microsoft Dynamics Nav as the ERP application. So in this simple example here, we have simply used an existing part, and we are going to do some slight modifications on our assembly by, let's say, deleting a component here, and we'll simply save this assembly under a new name. So I'll do save as and say, okay, well, since this is a new version, I'll simply use a distinct name. Let's say this is going to be the low noise version of this assembly here. So whenever I save a document, be it an assembly part or drawing document, Agni kicks in. And what it's going to do is it's going to get the data from the ERP environment on one hand, and from the CAD document on the other hand. It's going to resolve discrepancies if any are found, and then it's going to present the end user with a form that can be used for further editing of data. So I can use some very convenient editing functions here to complete the information as required. And once I'm done, I can, well, for example, I can pick a new family for this this part here. Notice that I use this button here with the three dots, and that ensures that I can enter only data that is validated against the possible values in the ERP system. So this data here comes really live from my ERP system, which prevents entering of invalid data. So I can now complete data entry. Once I'm done, I can, like here, I'm going to use a new part number. This one is going to become the 0601 LN for low noise, and the description will be a no noise for port adapter. Okay, so once I'm done, by confirming with the OK button here, I complete the save operation. So once the system gets confirmation, well, one of the things it will do is it will verify that all of the parts are already created in the ERP system. If it finds any parts that have not been created yet, it will ask for confirmation, and it will automatically create those parts in the system. So in this case, my top level assembly was not existent in the ERP system. Now it's going to update all of the children, the immediate children of the assembly I'm currently working with, and it's going to update all of the data within the ERP system. So if I take a look here now at my item list, I'll see that I should have a new member. Here it is, the 0601 LN. And if I look at the assembly list, the bill of materials for that item, I see that all of the items have actually been entered in the bill of materials for that new item. So I have the exact quantity that has been calculated by reading the number of instances of each component in the assembly document here, automatically generated here. So I have, in one single operation, I have generated a brand new bill of materials for a new product, starting with an existing one. So this is how Agni allows for very convenient and very fast integration of CAD to ERP data.